Ginger beer is super simple and you only need 3 things to get going. Water, ginger, and sugar. Later we're going to need 3 lemons, so yeah, I guess that's 4 things. You'll have to make the ginger bug first. This is just like your starter in the sourdough world. You'll start with 2 cups of water, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of ginger. Get it as fresh as you can. Grow it, buy the organic stuff. On that note, if you have one of these little sprouts growing, cut an inch or 2 off and throw it in your garden. For the ginger bug, you can leave your skin on. If you don't want the skin, no worries, just use the back of your blade, scrape the skin off. Works super simple. You'll want to mince your ginger, add in 2 tablespoons to your mixture, cover it with a cheesecloth, and let it sit for about 12-24 hours. Don't forget to label it. Now for the next 3 or 4 days, you're going to feed this ginger bug. Just add 2 tablespoons of sugar and ginger, and again, cover and repeat. Once it becomes nice and bubbly, now you're ready to start your ginger beer. First, you're going to boil 2 quarts of water. Add into this 1/4 cup of minced ginger. This time I did remove the skin. For my ginger beer, I like to use clover honey instead of sugar. Now if you're replacing sugar with honey, the ratio is about 2/3 cup honey to 1 cup sugar. So we'll want to add in about 1.25 cups of sugar, so I'll be adding in just under 1 cup of honey. You don't have to be precise, it really kind of depends on your sweetness level and how gingery you like it. Bring this all to a boil and then turn down and let it simmer for about 10 minutes. Once complete, let it cool down to room temperature. This is a fermentation process, so it is important not to kill your ginger bug. Make sure that thing is at room temperature. Once cooled, we'll put it all together. We're going to need to add 1/4 cup of ginger bug and then add it to our pot. Then the juice of 3 lemons. Now all we have to do is strain out our ginger bits and lemon seeds and throw it into a bottle. And again, don't forget to label it. We'll seal it up. 3-4 days at room temperature normally does the trick, but if you're finding that your ginger beer isn't getting bubbly, something happened with your fermentation. You can add in a tablespoon of strained ginger bug to see if you can't kick it off again. Now every day you'll want to burp the bottle so it doesn't build up too much pressure. If you forget to do this, just be very careful. The bottles can explode on you. With a few ingredients, in about a week's time, you now know how to make your own ginger beer, which I think is pretty cool. Oh, and on the ginger bug, after you've made and bottled your ginger beer, feed it once more with, again, 2 tablespoons of sugar and 2 tablespoons of ginger, and then put it into your fridge. You don't use metal, and make sure that your vessel can breathe. Once it's in the fridge, you don't have to freeze it until the next time you use it, and you can use your ginger bug to make all sorts of carbonated drinks. It only needs a sugar source and some flavor. Until next time, enjoy, stay relaxed, and keep on living.